Welcome. If you want to keep your Snapchat stories more private and share moments only with certain friends, editing the viewers on your private story is the way to go. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to update who can see your private story on Snapchat, making sure your snaps are shared just with the people you trust. First, open up the Snapchat app on your phone. You'll land on the familiar camera screen, but to get started, look to the top left corner and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon. This takes you to your profile, where you can see all your stories, including any private ones you've already created. Next, scroll down to the Stories section. Here, you'll see your private stories listed. Find the specific private story you want to edit. Right next to its name, you'll notice 3 dots. Tap on those dots to open more options for that story. From the menu that appears, choose Edit Viewers. This is where you control exactly who gets to see your private story. You'll see a list of your Snapchat friends. Simply tap to select or deselect the friends you want to add or remove from your private stories audience. Snapchat won't notify anyone about these changes, so you can adjust your list as often as you like without any awkwardness. Once you've made your selections, don't forget to save your changes. Just tap Save or the check mark at the bottom of the screen. That's it. Your private stories viewers are now updated, and only the friends you've chosen will be able to see what you share there. Private stories are a great way to keep things more personal on Snapchat. Whether you're sharing daily updates, inside jokes, or special moments, you're always in control of your audience. So go ahead, update your private story viewers, and share your snaps with confidence.